memory of the good years will be erased. As for having two similar dreams, it means that these events have been decreed by God, and He will soon make them happen.
Comfortable, and no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you. Shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. It's not logical, the way I feel when you walk in the room. It's not optional. How gravity just pulls me right to you, to you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to.
Okay, now that I'm done on the treadmill and you saw most of my morning, I'm gonna do a couple things. I'm gonna take the dog outside real quick because it is like in the teens. It's very cold. And I'm probably not going outside after I shower because it's too cold to go out with wet hair. So I'm going to take him out, probably come in, clean up these little bit of dishes from breakfast, and then go ahead and get my everything showered today because it's Sunday. And then I'm probably gonna watch church because I should be out around that time.
See those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. Spend my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby. And all these broken roses led to you. Spend my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby. And all these broken roses led to you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so.
Church is over. I'm going to heat up some leftovers and have some lunch because I'm hungry. I'm in the car with Riley, who's somewhere back there. We're gonna run to Goodwill because I want to drop off some donations to get them out of the house, and then I also have a couple things I need to drop off at a friend's house for her to use for her ministry from another friend. So I want to get the stuff out of the house while I can, and then that way I can come back and spend the rest of the day cozy at home. We're back from running those errands. Sorry, I was trying to put you in my water bottle, but oh, that's a little better. Okay, so we're back. I'm just gonna chill for a little bit, probably talk to my grandma. And then I think because it's so cold out, it might be nice to bake a batch of brownies that I have in the cupboard. Warm up the house a little bit and have a nice little sweet treat. And it's been a while since I made brownies, so I'm kind of excited to do that. I think I'm gonna try doing this coffee brownie version. It says to add a teaspoon of instant espresso, which I do have from that cake I made, and I'm gonna try that and see how that works. All right, while those brownies are cooking, I'm gonna cozy back up on the couch and continue watching TV because it's Sunday and I'm being chill. These smell really good. It's like chocolate and coffee. We're gonna see how they are once they cool down some. All right, so I just tried one of those brownies. I will say they are very good. It was like a hint of coffee. It wasn't anything crazy. But I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. I know it wasn't super eventful. Sundays usually aren't, which is why I tend to gravitate towards Monday vlogs now, but every now and then kind of need a Sunday. So I hope you enjoyed, and as always, I hope everyone has a blessed day.